Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best LS swap kit is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can do for your vehicle. Whether you're aiming for a classic car restoration, a modern performance boost, or simply seeking the legendary power and reliability of an LS engine, this kit simplifies the complex process of an engine swap. It provides all the necessary components, from engine mounts and wiring harnesses to headers and fuel system upgrades, ensuring a smooth and successful installation. Number 5. MSCRP LS Throttle Body Bypass Hose Kit. This kit is designed for all GM LS series engines. It includes everything you need for installation, making the process straightforward. The kit comes with 2 O-rings, 2 bolts, 2 coolant ports, a PTFE tape, and a steel braided hose. It has all the necessary components. You can install it on either the front or rear of the cylinder heads. This flexibility allows for easier integration into your engine setup. Please note that thread sealant is not included in the kit. You will need to provide your own. This kit is not compatible with fast 102 intake manifolds. Make sure your setup is compatible before installation. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a hassle-free installation. It's designed to improve your engine's cooling efficiency, preventing overheating. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution to optimize your LS engine's performance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fits and functions perfectly. Works great. Good fit and build quality. Number 4. MSCRP LS Engine Swap Mount Adapter Kit. This kit allows you to easily swap an LS engine into your 1973 to 1988 G-body vehicle. It's designed for a seamless conversion, giving your classic car a modern boost. The kit is compatible with LS1, LS2, LS3, LS6, LSX, LQ4, LQ9 and other 4.8L, 5.3L, 6.0L, and 6.2L engines. It ensures a perfect fit for your specific engine type. The kit includes specially powder-coated spacers for corrosion resistance. Installation is straightforward, making the upgrade process hassle-free. The package includes mount plates, frame mounts, bolts, washers, and nuts. Everything needed to mount the frame mounts is included. Made from reinforced raw steel, this kit is built to last. It allows for engine adjustments, moving the engine forward or backward for optimal placement. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for G-body vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit. The powder-coated spacers and reinforced steel construction guarantee durability and corrosion resistance. If you're working on a G-body LS swap, this kit will save you time and effort. What people say. Worked for my 87 Monte Carlo SS. Perfect for my 83 Malibu wagon. Perfect fit. No instructions. But worth the space saving over the clunky factory mounts. Number 3. Adapter Plates Urethane Swap Kit for GMC Chevy. This kit is designed for a seamless engine swap. It's compatible with various GMC and Chevy models from the 80s and 90s. It allows you to upgrade your vehicle's performance. The kit fits multiple models including the GMC S15, Chevy S10, and Blazer. It's designed to replace the original 2.8L engine. Please check the product description for detailed compatibility. Made from high-quality steel, this kit is built to last. The adapter plates are laser cut for extreme durability. You can rely on it for a long time. The kit includes all necessary hardware for installation. It comes with engine mount bolts, adapter plates, and urethane frame mounts. Everything you need is included. This kit supports the installation of LS series engines. It's compatible with LS1, LS2, LS3, LS6, and LSX engines. It opens up a world of performance possibilities. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of compatibility with various S10 and Blazer models. It's built with high-quality steel for long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive solution for your S10 or Blazer LS swap, it is the ideal choice. What people say. A pain to replace the frame pads, but this setup went in flawlessly and has plenty of adjustment front to back as well as a little side to side. Worked out great for my LS swap into a 1997 Ford truck, as some don't work because the engine does not need to go back that far. Great their price, but the rubber in them is very fragile and will tear on install if not careful. But they are extremely adaptable and make the engine going in easy in tight situations. Number 2. 302-2 LS Swap Aluminum Oil Pan Kit. Are you looking to upgrade your engine? This 302-2 LS Swap Aluminum Oil Pan Kit is designed for a perfect fit. It's a reliable solution for your engine needs. This oil pan kit is compatible with a wide range of Chevy, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac models from 1964 to 1992. It fits various F-body, G-body, and A-body vehicles, ensuring versatility. The 302-2 LS Swap Oil Pan works with LS engines like LS1, LS2, LS3, and LS6. The part numbers include 302-2, 12558253, and others, guaranteeing a precise match for your engine. The package includes the oil pan, gasket, sump baffle, pickup tube, and mounting hardware. It's made of premium aluminum for durability and easy installation, ensuring stable operation. This oil pan is designed for use with GM number 12558253 windage tray. You may need to modify the tray. It requires an LS3 style dipstick and tube, ensuring optimal performance. Make sure this part fits your vehicle by checking the make, model, and trim. If you have any issues, contact customer service. We prioritize your satisfaction. What we like. This oil pan kit is compatible with a wide range of LS engines, ensuring versatility. The aluminum construction guarantees durability and efficient oiling. If you're looking for a high-quality oil pan for your LS swap, this kit provides everything you need for a reliable and long-lasting solution. What people say. Fit grade 0 instructions. Just an FYI, you do have to trim the windage tray and they do not send instructions. Just follow the Holly instructions and worked perfect. I first got the 302-1 pan for the LS swap in my '69 Mustang. When I bought it, I didn't notice the dish in the front of the pan. It made the engine set higher than I wanted it to, so I bought the 302-2 where the front of the pan was much thinner and straight across, not dished, and I was able to get the engine set down 112 lower, which also lowered the back of my transmission too. Pan also takes an AC Delco PF48 oil filter. Fit well and gives me the crossmember and steering clearance needed on my '67 Chevelle LS swap. Number 1. Bonbo LS Swap Motor Mounts Adapter Plates. Are you looking to swap an LS engine into your classic Chevy? These adapter plates make the conversion straightforward. They are designed to help you easily and properly secure the engine. These mounts fit a wide range of vehicles, including many 1960s and 1970s Chevy pickups and cars. They are perfect for various LS engines, ensuring a versatile fit. The unique design allows for a secure fit and optimal performance. The plates are made to OEM specifications, ensuring a flush installation without any grinding needed. This will move the crankshaft centerline up for great performance. The package includes all the necessary hardware for installation. You'll receive the adapter plates and all the bolts needed to get the job done. It's designed for convenient use. Made from high-quality aluminum, these plates offer great strength and durability. They are built to resist corrosion and wear, ensuring long-term reliable service. We are confident in the quality of our product. If you're not satisfied, you can return it within 30 days for a refund. Contact us with any questions, and we will provide the best service. What we like. This adapter plate is compatible with a wide range of classic Chevy vehicles, making it a versatile choice. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution for your LS swap, it is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked great for 5.3L into 1983 C10. Fit well and good quality. Fit perfectly, quick one-day delivery. Hardware came in box with mounting plates. Sun excellence, con la medida perfecta y de gran calidad. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.